Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos in Android. To recover deleted photos on an Android device, you can try the following methods. First is check your Google Photos app. If you have the Google Photos installed and have backup and sync enabled, deleted photos may be in the trash or pinned folder within the app. You can simply open your Google Photos, and after that on the bottom here you can see the library icon. Select that, and right over here when you reach your library, on the top you can see the trash option. Select the trash option, and here we will see a lot of photos that you have recently deleted or before. You can simply select on the top option. After that, select the items that you want to restore, and on the bottom you can see the restore icon. Tap on that and tap on the allow, and this is it. But if you do not back up your items before the 60 days, before the 30 days, it will be deleted permanently. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.